The internet is flooded with countless diets, recipes and remedies for natural weight loss, and we've probably tried a good number of them, some more effective, others not so much. One such recipe stands out for its efficiency and fast results: ginger water. Ginger water really guarantees results when it comes to losing weight. It helps you burn fat from the most stubborn places and shed pounds in no time. The hips and belly region, which is the most difficult to shape, will no longer be your problematic area. Moreover, aside from helping you slim down, ginger water is incredibly healthy and will promote your overall health and protect you from a number of illnesses. Here are the best health benefits from regular consumption of ginger water. Lower cholesterol. Regular consumption of ginger water will lower your high cholesterol levels and prevent the diseases associated with this disease. Hypertension. Ginger water will help you regulate your high blood pressure and fight arterial blood clot formation. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger water has strong anti-inflammatory properties and will prevent the onset of osteoarthritis and rheumatism. Strong antioxidant properties. Ginger water prevents free radicals damage due to the strong antioxidant properties. Anti-cancer properties. Since it has potent anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties, ginger water protects you from all kinds of cancer. You'll need a few thin slices of ginger root, 1.5 l water, lemon juice if you want. Preparation method: just boil the water and add in the ginger root. Leave it to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes and set it aside to cool down a bit. Strain the mixture. Add a drizzle of lemon juice and drink a glass of the remedy in the morning before breakfast and 1 glass before dinner. Benefits of ginger: stimulates good circulation. Ginger is rich in zinc and magnesium, two key ingredients when it comes to good circulation. Moreover, it inhibits the bad cholesterol accumulation in the liver, which is crucial for the prevention of numerous cardiovascular problems. Improved nutrient absorption. Ginger improves the absorption of essential nutrients since it stimulates the secretion of stomach and pancreatic enzymes. If you have low appetite, chew on a piece of ginger root before your meals and you'll soon notice improvements. Protects you from the colds and flu. This amazing root has potent antibiotic and expectorant properties which have proven very effective against colds and the flu. People from Asia have used it for centuries, a potent anti-flu remedy to great results. This has been scientifically proven with a study conducted by the University of Maryland Department of Medicine, concluding that ginger tea in particular is very beneficial as a treatment against flu and cold symptoms. Better digestion. Aside from improving nutrient absorption, ginger helps in the treatment of abdominal pain which occurs as a result of stomach upset and inflammation. It's beneficial against gases and bloating, constipation, and promotes good digestion. Boosts your immune system. If you consume ginger on a regular basis, your immune system will function flawlessly. It helps against all kinds of infections, coughs, flu and chronic diseases. Relieves joint pain. As we already mentioned, ginger has potent anti-inflammatory properties which are very beneficial when it comes to reducing joint pain and inflammation.